Also, I did this look really quickly because I am having a 3 months-old baby, and I just wanted to do it very quickly, and something that you can look presentable, but still you have not spent a lot of time doing this. So yes, let's get into this video.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's start with the makeup. So first of all, I started by removing my face hairs. These days I'm using this Tinkle razor.
When I woke up in the morning, I was not feeling good, but I think festivals में ऐसे ही होता है. Suddenly ऐसा लग रहा है non it's so bad. I swear आज सबसे ज़्यादा सुंदर अगर कोई लगेगा तो non है. I mean he's looking so cute. इतना प्यारा लग रहा है non है. इतना प्यारा लग रहा है मैं बता नहीं सकती. फाइनली वो मेरी आवाज से उठ चुका है तो आई कैन टॉक. बहुत ही बेसिक सा मेकअप करने वाली हूँ. आई एम नॉट गोना डू एनीथिंग ओवर द टॉप और मुझे गर्मी बहुत लगती है. एंड प्लस राखी किसी की शादी नहीं है, सो वी कीप इट वेरी सिंपल. To begin my makeup with, I am starting off with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. इसका रिव्यू मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे कल ही किया था, so you can check it out. And otherwise also I have to film a separate video for this because it deserve a separate video. और बैकग्राउंड में नॉन की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं कि बहुत ही हल्का सा जरा सा चाहिए होता है, and you can easily blend it like glides really nicely. Thankfully आज राखी में बारिश नहीं हुई है. अदरवाइज मेरी बचपन की यादें हैं, बारिश हमेशा होती है राखी पे. So भाई that's a burp. उठ गया मेरा बच्चा. Show them your dress. Show them what you're wearing. Look. Hello. Yes. हंस के दिखा दो. गुस्सा नहीं करो. हंस दो. हंसो. नॉनी दी. मम्मा के साथ मेकअप करोगी? खुद तो रेडी हो गई हो, मम्मा रेडी ना होए. क्यों देखना है तो मेरी मम्मी के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. Okay. Yellow shade from this NYX conceal corrector and contour palette, and just to highlight my under eye area. So I love this yellow shade which is in the NYX contour palette. It just corrects whatever the darkness is there in your skin. And to blend it, I'm using this flat brush which is actually from Amazon. I got it really cheap. It was a brush set. If you guys want me to review it, please let me know. I'm using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline Matte Poreless, and it is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Let's apply this all over my face. Just very teeny tiny amount because I don't like too much of foundation, especially on this weather. Not a teeny tiny amount. This is not a teeny tiny amount. This is a full-fledged amount.
I'm so sorry guys, the lighting was really harsh and I'm realizing it right now while editing. I'm so sorry for that. So moving on, I'm just going to set my base using this powder, which is a translucent one from the Laura Mercier, and just using this brush, which is actually a concealer or highlighter brush, but I like to use this. Now I'm taking my favorite palette from Morphe Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just going to use the lightest brown shade color as a transition color just to create some depth. During daytime, I think I just want to keep my eyes very simple, so make sure that you're blending each and every color well. Now slowly I'm moving towards a darker shade, but slowly, and make sure you're blending all the colors, and then just taking the lightest shimmer shade from the palette using my fingers. I'm just going to take it on the center of my eyelid, and yes, blending it using my finger. Then you can take a clean brush and you can blend everything all together. Now I'm using this MAC lipstick, which is from the Retro Matte range, and the shade name is Dance With Me. So this is a really nice deep burgundy sort of color. I'm using an eyeliner brush to apply it, and further I'm going to be using a angular brush जिसका थोड़ा सा angle और हल्का सा fluffy हो to blend it out, and थोड़ा सा मैंने brown shade भी mix किया है to get that deep burgundy purple mauvey kind of shade, and it looked perfect. Now just using a brown shade, you can use it from any palette to fill my eyebrows. So this is how the eye makeup looks like, pretty simple and nice. On my lips, I'm going to be using this Maybelline nude lipstick, which is in the shade Nude Nuance, and I'm going to use it on my lips and on as a blusher also, because I really like this nude tone brown shade. You see, it's such a nice pretty brown shade. This is my favorite shade, and now I'm using it as a blusher. So whatever the excess translucent powder is there on your face, you can remove it. By now the baking is done. So using this lipstick as a blusher, and I'm also gonna use it to contour my face.
Okay, for the highlighter, I'm using this one from Sivana Beauty. It's really cheap and it is so nice. So ये टूट चुका है highlighter, ये बचा है और उसके बाद सब कुछ इसके अंदर है. So basically this is the highlighter. बेचारा टूट गया है. So let's apply this highlighter on my cheeks area. So you see, I'm not going to apply too much because it's going to be, of course, rocky hair. Just a little bit. You can apply it with your fingers too. So this is how you apply it. I'm almost done. So the outfit that I'm gonna wear is actually a organza kurti above this. I'm gonna attach a picture of me wearing that, and this is the crop top and palazzo, which you might have seen on my Instagram. I did a photos of that, so you guys can check that out. So this is very pretty earrings from AliExpress. I bought a lot of jewelry from AliExpress. So yeah, since my baby is small, I'm not gonna be doing anything over the top with my hair. It's just gonna be a ponytail, and I have used this rubber band for the ponytail so that it just looks a little bit dressy and I don't look like a homeless. It should look like I've done a little bit of efforts. So this is the rubber band I'm wearing, and this is the look I'm carrying and I'm gonna attach a picture of me how I dressed up in this day for Rakhi, so you guys can check it